everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute. Today I'm going to talk about pitch and hearing. So, let's do this. Alright, first of all, can anyone sing? That is the question. Okay, so let's define singing and singer. To sing, you need to be able to multitask. You need to be able to do loads of different things at the same time, which is why I mentioned in my previous video that first of all you need to master certain elements until the point that you don't have to think about them and the body will do the job for you, which is the muscle memory. So one of these main elements are being able to sing in tune. And for that, you definitely need to have a good hearing and good pitching. A singer is therefore a package deal. So the first and most important job is to be able to sing in key. To achieve that, you need to be able to pitch and be able to hear what you sing. Also, you need to be able to perform live and in the studio and express whatever is inside. So without this, you cannot call yourself a singer. You suck! But the good news is you can learn to pitch and you can train your hearing as well. There are several exercises you can use for improving your hearing, like semitone exercises, for example, like or yeah, these are really annoying exercises. I'm absolutely aware of them, but they work. When you do semitone exercises, it's important to do both up and down steps, because when you improve your pitch or when you want to improve your hearing, you need both over and undertone as well. For good pitch, you also need to learn how to twang. The twang creates the perfect position for singing. If you're able to sing constantly in the position of the twang, it's almost impossible to sing out of tune. It creates a very straight line and position, which doesn't let you go under your mustache line. Like this. Twang! Or twang! Or twang! Obviously, this is a little bit exaggerated sound. We only use this for practicing, so you don't have to sing like this. It's just you actually need to maintain the position of the twang. To answer your question, yes, every human being can sing, unless they have some kind of physical or mental barrier like a tissue damage or something like that. And everyone can be taught to sing in tune as well. And just to tease you guys, we'll have a very interesting video with Sorin soon to prove this. Once it's uploaded, you are going to find the link here. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope again we could help you. So if you have any questions, just post below the video or go to rmsvocalinstitute.com. Thank you very much. See you in the next video and rock and roll.